Hello! So, in this video, we are going to learn Grumpy Old Troll in Piano Adventure book, page 39. So, that's 4 on, what's the note? I think you know. That's 4 on F, yeah? F, jump to C, and then D. And then this is the same, yeah. The next measure, it's a bit different. Let's just put the notes in. From D, you jump to G, going down F, E, D, C. All right, so careful here. There is the staccato, legato. And then your left hand, what's that? I give you a clue. This is G. So the next one is D. Yeah, so G and D together. And then this is the same, yeah? Next one, next row. Nah, ini tricky, a little bit tricky. So your right hand is gonna be piano, lebih soft, but your left hand is very loud, yeah? The note is, yeah, let's write it down. C and D. Oh, C-nya ada lagi. Berarti C and sekarang ada yang naik ya. C and E. And then this is C and F. Yep. That's how you do it. Nah, terus ini tie, careful, you hold until here. And then this is the same. Cham cham cham. Ini what's the note? That's D ya. And this one, nah sekarang dia C and G. Terus ini ada C lagi, jadi C and ini turun G, F ya. And then C and E. Apa ini? C and D and then the same. Yeah. And then third row is almost the same with first row, but a little bit different at the end here. Fa, do, re, sol, fa, mi, re. Dia naik sekarang. Sol, fa, mi, re, mi. Yeah. So here it's like sol, fa, mi, re, do. But on the third row, sol, fa, mi, re, mi. Yeah. That's the only difference it has with the first row. Okay, now going to the last row. So many ties, yeah. So you hold C until this. Woo! How many beat is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16 ketuk. Ditahan terus from here until here. As your left hand plays. This is, okay. Tulis dulu ya, biar nggak bingung ya. G, F, and then, sekarang yang turun bawahnya, bukan yang atas. Yang atasnya tetap G, G, G. Tapi yang bawahnya turun ya. F, E, turun lagi, D. Like that. Jreng, jreng, jreng. Oh, this one is the same. Jreng, jreng, jreng. Exactly the same. And then, 2 octave lower. 2 octave lower. C, F, and D. So, first row, right hand, 4 on F ya. Forte, jadi kencang. Staccato, staccato, 1, 2. Staccato, staccato, 1, 2. Staccato, staccato, legato, smooth. Nyambung ya. Yes, a bit tricky, but you can do it if you keep practicing ya. Let's do it again. Forte, staccato, tahan. Staccato, staccato, tahan. Staccato, staccato, legato, smooth. left hand. Your left hand is 1 on G here and 4 on B. And you play staccato like that, yeah? Let's try. First row, just left hand. 1, 2, 3, staccato. 1, 2, 3, staccato. Okay, let's try both hands. Slowly, forte, yeah? 1, 2, tahan, 3. Tahan, 3. Legato. Alright, moving on to the second row. Right hand is piano. It's soft, yeah? C, D, C, E, C, F, yeah? But you keep pressing this. Pressing the C. Staccato, staccato, staccato. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. C and G, C and F, C and E, C, D, 1, 2, C, D, 1, 2. A little bit tricky. Let's try that again, yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, your left hand is pretty simple. There is a tie there, so you're gonna hold this long, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that's pretty self-explanatory. That's F ya, jadi ini kenceng ya. Let's do it two hands. This is piano, but the left hand is very loud. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, that's a bit tricky. Let's do it again, yeah? Forte, piano. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now the third row. Your right hand is similar to the first row, but it ended differently, yeah? Let's do it right hand, forte. 1, 2. 1, 2. Re, mi. Ya, dia naik terakhirnya ya, nggak kayak yang pertama. Let's try again. Third row, right hand. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Now, the left hand is the same exactly, yeah? So I'm not gonna explain it anymore. Let's do two hands, third row. Okay, let's do the next row, last row. So your right hand, you need to only hold it for 16 beats, right? Because there is ties. There are 3 times of ties. 1, 2, 3, 4, sampai terus sampai 16 beat, ya. Okay. Now your left hand, it's a bit tricky. Now the left hand is piano, so it's soft. G F, G E, G, D. Yeah, like that. Let's do it slowly. Left hand, last row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Ke bawah. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Last row, just your left hand. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Rest. 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 Ya, jadi di bawahnya staccato rest, staccato rest, staccato rest. Alright, let's try both hands. One, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. 3, 4. Alright, let's do that again. Faster, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Alright. I'm going to play from the beginning to end. This is the moderate tempo, forte. Kanannya piano. One, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Ya, hati-hati itu paling bawah ya. That's the lowest C, lowest F, and lowest D here. Yeah, because it's 2 octave lower. So instead of here, you go down by 2 octaves. Now I'm going to play it again faster. The fast version, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, have fun with this song too.